everybody, my name is Sebastian. Welcome at Nordson here in Feldkirchen. Today I'm going to show you one more useful device. It's made for jetting valves. Jetting technologies we sell, and once you have a dirty nozzle, then the jetting or the material will stay at the nozzle, so you need a fast and it's basically a whipping of the nozzle, and I'm going to show you that. First of all, we need to have a dirty nozzle. So here you see, once you have that kind of a pollution, the jetting is not more possible. Every flying dot will stuck here on the nozzle. And there you go, all the pollution we had on the nozzle is now on this cotton material, so we can go back to our jetting process because the needle is clean. Sorry, the nozzle.